Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I tell stories. My name is Sarthak Patel and today's story is about a scam which recently happened. So in 2021, US Security and Exchange Commission officially charged two founders of a company for committing fraud and money laundering. So the company was billing insurance providers for lab tests which customers did not even need. So this thing started when a person named Mark Harris find out about this thing. So the Mark Harris, he was in his 50s and he had a rare gastrointestinal disorder. So he would often search on internet about his particular disease. So one day he started getting ads from a health startup called UBio, and he figured out that the company targeted him based on his search history. By looking at that ad, Harris ordered a smart gut test from UBio, which promised to provide new insights into the bacterial makeup of his gut so he can figure out what was the problem and make improvements in his health. He thought he would receive one test. Instead, company sent him email sorry company sent him an mail containing 6 of tests. After that, UBIOM sent him another 3 mails in the following week. He consulted his doctor and his doctor didn't see any value in the test and he didn't learn anything new. But what surprised Harris most was that he was charged around $3,000 for those tests, and it was nearly 5 times of his insurance. So this was the common practice in UBIOM company, where they would charge people for the test without their consent. The company also pressured doctors to approve this test with minimal oversight. So let's get back in 2012 when UBIOM was founded. It was founded by Jessica Richman, a computer scientist, and Jack Apte, a biophysicist. The original goal of company was to bring a new test to uncover the link between human health and microbiome. So for those people who don't know what microbiome is, it is a kind of bacteria which resides in our gut and it plays an important part in our health. So as the company's motive was good, so initially they raised around $100 million, and it was valued around 300 million at its most recent round of financing in the September. As a part of its growth strategy, company would repeatedly nudge patients such as Harris and bill their insurance each time. Company would also upgrade their samples 2 to 3 times without knowledge of patients and then bill again. Doctors were also paid up to $180 per hour to approve this UBIOM test. But the company did not see one problem. The problem was that insurance company often have a system in place to flag any vendor that is billing more than $500 repeatedly in a short window of time without a clear reason. And investigation started, and it took no time for investigators to link the chain. When FBI raided their office in February, at that time its founders and co-founder Jessica Richman and Zach Apte were on administrative leave. It turns out that they were married in 2019, and after the two were indicted on charges that carry up to decades in prison, they vanished. The prosecutor in the case labeled them as fugitive since they cannot be located and therefore their court appearance cannot be scheduled. So there were warrants out for their arrests, and it is reported that the two got marriage certificate in June 2020, and few days later they flew to Germany, where Zach is a citizen of Germany. And in April 2021, federal prosecutors received a letter stating that Jessica is sick and she cannot move to US for this trial, and Zach is doing job as a caretaker of Jessica, so he also cannot travel. Furthermore, in Germany, there is a rule that it doesn't extradite its own citizen. So it seems that now it is almost impossible to return both of them and capture them, as if they don't want to come to US, it is nearly impossible for US FBI to continue the case. So this is today's story, and it is not the first time that criminals are doing something like this and taking advantage of system. In fact, in India, recently there is one case named Vijay Mallya, in which he did a scam of 9,000 crore and he flew to London. So this is not something new, but it is must people must notice what they are paying for. So whenever you next time you go to any doctor or visit any doctor and they tell you that you need to get this test, make sure you know what it is, because most of the time doctor is saying that you don't need any test unless and until it is needed, or it is at extreme state, then and then you need test. Okay, so make sure to stay safe, and good night, take care.